Hello there, my name is Daniel Gerlach. A warm welcome to you from the MIWE Live Baking Center, and today we're going to make porchetta, an Italian stuffed pork roast. And for that, we're going to be using the MIWE Gusto snack, and this great feature, the multi-point core temperature sensor. For our porchetta, we'll use one of the 30 preset cooking programs from our MIWE Gusto snack, which we're going to preheat right now. I've already cut open the porchetta, and now I roll it out and season it with salt and pepper there. On the inside, I'm going to spread a rosemary garlic mixture, then roll the whole thing together, and then simply just tie it together with a piece of string there. Of course, you can save time and have the meat prepared by your local butcher. That's all up to you. Well, as you can see, the oven is ready to bake. I've already inserted there the GN tray supports, and we can now insert our roast and use the core temperature sensor, which really measures the coldest part of the meat at 3 points to create there the perfect roast. Well, the program automatically starts once the door is closed, and as we can see on the control panel, the oven there is heating at 135 degrees and with some steam so that the meat won't dry out until the desired core temperature of 77 degrees is reached there. And as you can see, the core temperature has now reached 77 degrees, and now the oven is going to heat up to 230 degrees and turn on the top heat. And that's going to create a wonderful golden crust. Well, I'm sure that cooking porchetta has never been easier. All we had to do was to basically switch on the oven, select the programs, stick in the core temperature sensor, and just watch the MIWE Gusto snack in action there. Well, since the MIWE Gusto snack had the top heat going for the last 20 minutes of the program, we got there this wonderful crust. Perfect timing. The baguettes for my snack are also ready too. I'm certain that without my MIWE Gusto snack, I wouldn't have managed to do this so easily. Well, for more information, please visit us at miwe.com or follow us on Instagram. And I'm going to go now and enjoy this delicious porchetta sandwich.